Pesticides by Joshua Jimenez. You may be wondering what exactly pesticides are. Put simply, a pesticide is any substance or mixture of substances used to destroy, suppress, or alter the life cycle of any pest. A pesticide can be naturally derived or synthetically produced. Even some species of bacteria can be considered pesticides. Some examples of inorganic pesticides include bactericides, baits, fungicides, GMOs, herbicides, insecticides, lures, rodenticides, and repellents. Some examples of organic pesticides include pyrethrum, garlic, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil. Now I'm going to explain to you the functions of pesticides and how they work. Pesticides control their target pest by physically, chemically, or biologically interfering with their metabolism or normal behavior. Most pesticides are lethal to their target pest, but some manufacturers produce a non-lethal variant to repel or sterilize the pest. Contact pesticides are a variant of pesticides that must be absorbed through the external body surface or the exposed plant tissue. Put simply, this means that it must make direct contact with the plant or bug. Selective pesticides are mostly exclusive to herbicides. They are engineered to target specific plants like broadleaf weeds in order to disrupt the chemical process that takes place within the plant, which makes it unable to produce food correctly and does not allow it to grow. Persistent pesticides are pesticides that are not particularly harmful to humans but take a very long time to break down in the environment. DDT is an example of a persistent pesticide that was heavily used in the US, but is now illegal after it was discovered how long it takes to break down within the environment. Biological magnification is an example of how persistent pesticides, like DDT, can affect an ecosystem. While it may not directly harm the producers at first, as it rises up in trophic level, the tertiary consumers will be heavily poisoned. Non-persistent pesticides are pesticides that break down much faster than persistent pesticides. While they still are harmful to humans, they reach a harmless state much faster than other pesticides. An example of this is Roundup. In conclusion, while some pesticides are harmful to humans, there are others that are beneficial to human agriculture. We should continue our research in pesticides in order to produce efficient pesticides that do not harm the environment.
Created using Powtoon.